Hello everyone, welcome to Charlie Factor Aviation. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to start up an Airbus A330neo from cold and dark status. So first of all, we enter the cockpit and click on Systems, Electrical, turn on the main battery, and then turn the APU to on, then start. So what we need to do now is to wait for about 1 minute. Then the APU will turn from the start status to on status. So now the APU is on, and on the panel here you see is on, and the primary flash display, navigation display, ECAM is doing a self-test with a maximum of 40 seconds. So we have successfully started up our electrical system. Next we need to start up our engines. So start engines 2 first, and you can see that engines 2 is running. After a few moments, when engines 2 is started, we can start engines 1, and then that's all done. We can take off. That's the end of the video.